The f is a ghoul girl? Say hello to the 2023 version of goth. Not the traditional goth, a whitewashed, fat-shaming, high-fashion, bleached brow version of goth. According to Days magazine, think Angelina Jolie's circa 2000 or Wednesday Addams' drug addict older sister. It goes one step beyond just the clothes you wear. It's the attitude you carry when you wear them. The ghoul girl means you're a grumpy, sultry, vampy woman who has thin brows, jet black hair, and siren eyes. This dark feminine energy glamorizes collarbones, a glassy gaze, and overall unhealthy lifestyle. We can only expect this to grow even more this year, with current trends including accentuating eye bags and smudged, messy eyeliner. We're dreading the return of Kate Moss's heroin chic, and people are tired of the non-inclusive trends. This needs to stop.